When you get the actual regression line, it may look something like this. It's got x, dependent variable, the y your dependent variable. So this is like the hours you study, and up here's your exam score. And this would be called a positive linear relationship, where the slope is positive. So it's a positive relationship, positive slope. And example of this would be you study more hours. As your hours you study increases, as you move that way, your exam score is also going up this way. So there would be a positive relationship between your variables. Another example that you may end up with is that your slope may be negative. Okay, so it's just negative, I'll do that for sure. So it slopes downwards, so as your independent variable increases, the other one decreases, it comes down. So an example of that may be, say for example, that the price of the car will decrease with the age of the car. So as the car gets older, as the age of the car increases, it gets older and older this way, the price of the car also decreases, and that gives us a negative linear relationship or a negative slope. Well, remember that the slope, if we knew the actual slope for all the population data, would be beta 1. So here it would be negative. Here, up here in this example, the slope would be positive. So let's do one more example. We've got positive slope, negative slope. What if we had a situation like this? So you've done your regression analysis, you've got your y, you've got your x. In this case, your slope is not positive, your slope is not negative, but your slope is equal to 0. So your slope looks something like just a flat line. This says that x increases, whatever x is, there's actually no impact on y. Y is unaffected by it. So that would mean that there's no linear relationship between x and y if the slope was equal to 0. So say for example, we could say that the amount of time I spend watching TV could increase down here, and it has absolutely no impact on your water utility bill, how much you spend on water when you get your utility bills, totally unaffected by the amount of time I spend watching TV. So now we're going to go on and do an example in the next video.